Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start as the root account owner because only you can close the account. First, export invoices, billing reports, and any config snapshots so you have records. Once done, stop creating new resources and note active services. Next, make sure billing and tax info is accurate and that you can access the root email and MFA device. These steps avoid surprises. Once you've confirmed exports and access, go to the console to begin resource cleanup. You now remove everything that could incur charges. Start terminating EC2 instances and delete attached EBS volumes and AMIs, then stop and delete RDS instances and any snapshots. Once done, empty and delete S3 buckets, remove Lambda functions and API gateway endpoints, and tear down CloudFormation stacks. Make sure to check AWS config, CloudWatch log groups, and Elastic IPs. Also delete IAM users and roles you created. Organizations' accounts must be removed first if applicable, and confirm 0 active resources. You're ready to close. Sign in as root, go to billing account settings and choose close account. Follow the confirmations and check the root email for any verification. Make sure you've exported receipts and tax documents before confirming closure because you'll lose console access. If the console prevents closure, check for unpaid balances, active linked accounts in organizations, marketplace subscriptions, or lingering resources in other regions. As a troubleshooting tip, resolve any outstanding charges or detach the account from organizations, then try closing again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.